So the kits, the flags come with some assembly required, and in my estimation, you're going to actually want to purchase a few extra tools to make your job a little easier. What you get initially is the flag pole, a folded flag, you get the finial or the top of the flag, and you get what's called a dowel screw, which attaches the finial to the pole. I found that in order to drill a hole right in the center of the top of the pole, I've made a little tool for you, and that'll be included as well. So this fits onto the top of the pole, and with a 3/16, I believe it is, yes, 3/16 inch drill bit, you just insert it in your guide hole. And now you have a hole right in the center of the pole. Now
show the
so this part goes onto the hole, onto the pole, and on the other side you have a guide hole. Once your drill bit is in that hole, it has no place to go but straight. So that's a little handy tool to make life easier for you. Now, we've also found to install the dowel screw, it's helpful to lubricate the threads. You can use dishwashing soap if you wish, but I found that WD-40 works just great. So I have a little tray here that I just hold the thing against, and we'll treat the one end with WD-40. Helps to have a secondary drill during this process, so you don't have to keep changing drill bits. But you can pretend that this is actually a drill bit and screw that right into the hole. Now what you have is the dowel screw halfway through. To do the other half, a little more WD, and you just hand screw the finial on. Okay, that's step one. Now the next thing is you need to drill holes in the pole to anchor the flag. So here's where I'm going to suggest you invest a few dollars and buy a drill block. This is designed to sit on curved pieces like the dowel, and it has holes here for various size drill bits. You can get this on eBay, on Amazon, and I think it was $8. And it'll save you a ton of time. Again, we're using the same 3/16 inch bit, and there's a hole that's that size. And what I do is, firstly, I'm gonna figure out a way to anchor this down just a little bit to hold it in place. But
move that drill.
So I use the drill block as sort of my guide for where the top hole is. I hold the drill block up against the finial, and now my 3/8 inch bit goes right in that hole. And that's step one. Now here you have to actually take out the flag. And another thing you're going to have to buy are 8-inch zip ties. So I tether the top of the flag through my hole. Snug that up. We'll get back to that in a little while. The next thing is And there's a little variation from flag to flag, so you need to hold this one out straight, stretch it pretty tightly, and mark a hole where your next zip tie is going to go. So again, I'm going to use my drill block. I'm going to sight through to the mark I made and drill my hole right here. Okay. Okay. One thing I forgot was my wire cutters. Now when you cut these pieces off flush, they are a little sharp. If you were to run your finger off that the wrong way, you could potentially cut yourself. So I use a little Dremel tool to just grind that down, take the edge right off. Now, for storage, another thing you're going to want to buy are small bungees. These are 6-inch bungee cords. You can also get these on Amazon. They come in packs of 50 for, I don't know, was that $13? So, you know, 100 flags with these two items would cost you roughly $30 to purchase. So, in rolling up the flag, I find I get about halfway through and it needs to be kind of tightened up a little bit. Then I go another half of the half and tighten that up. And then the last little bit gets me where I want to go. I put the bungee on the bottom part. And the third thing that I'm going to suggest you buy is go to the dollar store and buy socks, athletic socks. Putting this on the top kind of keeps things nice and protected, protects the balls from knocking against things and getting scratched. And here's what a completed flag kit should look like. They're easily stacked. They don't take up a lot of space in this manner, and that's all there is to it. So again, WD-40 to go on the screw heads, or soap. You can use Dawn or any dish soap. Get yourself a bunch of zip ties, the drill block and the bungees, and some socks, and that should be all you need to do.